In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and photos online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay.
Its review rating is 9.6, which is exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
We talk about the boundaries of this property, so you can see on the screen all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in.
The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
The location of the property is good. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Amenities of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Follow the description link. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box.
If you are new on the channel, subscribe our channel and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video.
Thanks for watching the video.